welcome back to a brand new video. This is Mr. Strife
Can you record next video?
And today I'm going to be playing Fortnite Battle Royale with my friends. I'm going to be playing squads. As you know, lightsabers are back in the game. So we are going to do a challenge called Lightsabers Only Challenge. So what is going to happen in this challenge is we are going to find lightsabers. We cannot use any guns except lightsabers. We have to use only lightsabers, and then we can use meds and medkit, all that. Well, that's all, guys. So we have to use only lightsabers in this challenge. Let us see if we get a dub. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video. The loading screen. And I'm playing with my friends Grey Ninja and Skillful Strife Mare. Check out their channel also. Hello.
Hello, yeah.
There are proper 100 players.
Yeah.
Okay. So where are we going to land, guys?
Only edges.
All ages. Okay, that's good. Niariko. Holy edges. Okay, so everyone, as soon as you drop, you get a lightsaber, and you can get a if you don't get a lightsaber, you can use the umbrella, the Kingsman umbrella, or if you don't get that also, you can use a gun before you get a lightsaber. But after you get it, you have to drop it.
Okay. Okay. Holy edges is populated, guys.
I'm going to the yellow house this side, or no, I'm taking the brown house. Okay, I got a pump shotgun. Oh, you got a lightsaber. I got the red lightsaber.
I got the green lightsaber.
So as I said, I have to drop my weapons.
Oh my god, I got a RPG, but I can't use it yet.
You can use it, like if you don't get a lightsaber, you can use it.
I got another lightsaber. If anyone wants, can take it.
Yeah, give it to one of the players.
Stress, come. You got an extra lightsaber, anyone? Yeah, I got. Okay. I'm coming.
I can use meds though. Okay guys, we have to clear this place and move on because the storm is here. Okay. Guys, one of our players are dead, so we have to go help her. Come on. I have one guy on me.
Okay, we have got a whole squad on.
Got him. Kill him down.
I got a guy down. Guys, I got a guy down.
Yeah, good one. I'm going to revive her. I think she was almost out of health.
Guys, I need some backup.
Yeah, I'm reviving her. I'll be back there.
Yeah. Okay, got two guys down. I got one guy down. Okay, guys. I
got one guy down.
Very low.
I don't have any meds. Search.
Okay, I find some meds. You guys take care of the shots.
Okay, got a XP
I got
coin.
a medkit.
Okay, give it
I
to
got a
him.
medkit.
Okay, Shreyas, I I have a small shield. You can come and take it.
Okay, found it first, guys.
Yeah. Okay, we have to clear from all edges. Come on.
Okay, there's a guy right here, guys. We need some support.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah, coming.
Okay, you take care of the guy.
Got him. Shreyas,
Yep, we have to move.
Shreyas.
Yeah.
You got a RPG, right? Take that. Like, it will be useful for us. If you meet a guy with a lightsaber.
I got 2
Okay,
medkits.
people, so we
Yeah,
hear some
carry it.
firings. We came to Weeping Wood.
Because there was
Shreyas,
We are
I'll give you.
firing. Everyone be together. Greninja.
Yeah, come near me.
I've seen the guy. I've got him.
Okay, we are coming towards you. Hello?
Yeah, I got the guy.
Come fast.
Coming.
Was there a squad or only one?
No, there was a single guy.
Okay.
Okay. Keep on moving for the storm.
We have bad luck because one of our squad teammates left, so now we are only 3 people.
Yeah. I'm almost inside the storm.
Yeah, even we are close. Okay, we have to win this challenge.
Yeah. I got some shields.
Guys, sorry for the disturbance.
Yeah.
Keep in mind viewers, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, I think I see a medkit. I'm going to get it. So people cover me, and I see even builds. So I think there's some.
Fight going on.
Don't interfere. Wait.
Okay, guys. Let's move to HQ.
Okay, we have to get out from here because the storm circle is here, and many people might come here. Okay, we'll move to the second storm circle because it's very far away, and if we stop in agency, we can't get there. Let's get the chopper.
Let's just get some medicine agents and we'll move it out.
No, it'll be too late. We have only 1 minute, and it's so far away. So we'll get the
Yeah,
chopper.
I see. Someone is shooting me.
Yeah, don't care. We'll go get the chopper.
Okay.
Get in the chopper, everyone. Someone drive though. Fast. There's a guy behind me. Come.
Okay, I'll be blocking.
You come in, bro.
Wait.
Hey, wait. Don't take off.
Okay.
Come in fast.
Go drive.
Shreyas, come in fast. We don't have time. I came to help Shreyas, bro. We can't do anything over here. The guy is in the water. We can't get him. There's another guy that side. Chintu, take out your lightsaber.
Yeah. My health is very low, so I'm just.
Yeah, I came for a help.
Archie, can you please come and drive the chopper?
I got this guy.
Shreyas.
I even got some bandages. Someone took our chopper away.
No, it's with me itself.
Okay, Shreyas, come on. We don't have time.
Yeah, I got the guy.
Shake him down, shake him down.
Oh, check for match, guys.
No, come on, fast. Fast.
Yeah, come in.
Look.
Get in.
Huh?
Yeah. Go to the Storm I fast. Okay, switch seats. I'll drive.
He's
Chidu.
driving live. Oh,
Say
Ashraf is driving.
you're going the wrong side.
I'm turning. Calm down.
Okay, guys, we are in Meow Stealth right now. I got another lightsaber. It's a blue color. Who wants a blue color lightsaber?
We both have blue itself.
Okay. See,
I
for the
got
Meow
this.
Stealth guy, I think he's dead.
Get me the
No,
shield.
no, no. He's there. Yes, is there.
Okay,
Oh,
everyone
okay.
attack him. Everyone attack him.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm dead.
Oh no, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yeah.
I got Meowscles.
Help me, help me, help me.
Okay. I'll finish
We
Meowscles.
got the
Help
key.
me.
Yeah, reviving.
Anyone have some? Okay, I have bandages.
Okay, I'll take the fishing rod for the slurp.
I am medkit. I can give you.
Yeah, get me one medkit. And shields, who has shields?
I have some 5 shields.
Yeah, give me
You
some
got the
shields.
key card.
No need the key
Arshad.
card. No need the key card.
We'll go for the place and loot it.
No need, no
go.
need. Okay, people. I need some shields. Shreyas, shields.
Come.
Yeah, drop shield. I'm here.
Tata.
Thank you.
Get me also one shield.
Take that into.
Yep. Pass. Come pass.
I have. I'm giving you. Wait, come here. I'm
You
dropping.
come friend.
I'm dropping. See.
Okay.
Take that.
Thanks.
Okay, I see some gold loot out there. I don't know what it is.
No, don't go for it. I think people are waiting for us to get it or something. But we don't need guns,
No.
so
It's a lightsaber. It's a lightsaber.
Block and go. Block and run.
Yeah, I'm blocked.
okay, guys. Viewers, there are 7 people left. We have to do this. 7 people, one squad.
Nope.
Yeah,
one squad is left.
There's one squad left. We have to win this. Collect the lightsabers. They should not get the lightsaber.
Yeah,
I
I
just
took it.
collect it.
The storm
There's
is
a blue
closing
one,
in.
right?
Yeah, the storm is closing in. I have 3 kills.
I have 4.
I have just one. Two.
Don't make noises. They'll come near us.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, someone watch our set.
Okay, guys. So now we have met the last squad. We are hoping for a victory.
Oh, someone is shooting me.
Okay. Guys.
40 seconds left. I'm coming for your stress or grey ninja.
I got one down.
Okay, Chindu. Take care.
I got him. I got him.
Revive.
Yeah.
Build and revive.
I'm coming towards
Reviving.
you. People. We have only more 2
I don't,
people.
anyone have a medkit?
No,
anyone
I
have a
have
medkit?
bandages.
Even I have bandages.
Okay, give him bandages.
Stress, just take this. Stress, take this. Bandage. Use it and run. Storm is there.
Yeah.
Come, we can come
I
fast. Come
see a
fast.
guy. I see 2.
Okay, I think they're
They
the
both are
last.
fighting.
They're the
The
last.
last bandage.
They're the last. Come on,
Yeah.
we can do this.
Yeah.
Easy victory. guys. Come on.
Last one guy is left and he's shooting me.
Where are you? Greninja.
Yes,
We won it, guys.
Okay.
I got him.
Okay,
I got it.
we won it, guys.
Lightsaber set up.
Okay, viewers, if you like this video, smash that like button. And we got a dub. Lightsabers only challenge. So if you like the video, smash the like button, share and subscribe. And that's it for today. Leaving. Bye.